website's goal is to educate teens and other people about gang rap and about sororities and fraternities and what their consequences are and how to avoid them. We offer support, counseling, and resources for those affected by gang violence and recruitment tactics. And we conduct a symposium for discussion, sharing experiences, and building connections to the teens that are possible to be impacted. We develop and share effective prevention methods for individuals, families, and communities.
Rocking a hard place, it's battery control. What am I waiting for? Seaplanes are beneath my compass, my transport.
Fraternity ka sorority. Hindi ka lang magkapila sa mga gang na may mga pasakit sa lawas mo lang. Easy nga na. Dapat mag-iwas ka na lang sa maingan na.
The technique of gang intervention or symposium also focus on rehabilitation and reintegration, offering support services like counseling and job placement to help everyday or individuals out of gang lives by addressing underlying issues such as poverty, trauma, and lack of opportunities. This program can empower individuals to build better for themselves. This reduces gaps in our community.
Gang intervention programs can help build trust between the communities they serve. By counseling, these programs can improve public safety and promote collective efficacy. Finally, successful counseling by symposium can lead to stronger, more resilient communities where individuals can thrive and reach their best.